The commitment of the President to universal primary education has transformed our education system from a privilege for a few children into a right for all our children.
The results indicate that more learners passed in Division 1 compared with the 2024 PRE cycle. This is a good development, a very good development. I note that UNEB, just like it was done for the 2024 PRE results, has looked at whether learners had attained mastery of knowledge and skills in the subjects they studied. The registration of private candidates as UPE candidates, thereby defrauding government. This is completely unacceptable. When we listen the next sets of PRE results, we must get answers as to why we have many ungradable candidates in a school or schools in each local government.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.